was preparing for it.
ओके 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 फाइन। आपने स्कूल में या कभी कोई राइटिंग की है, लाइक रिपोर्ट राइटिंग या प्रोजेक्ट राइटिंग, या सोशल मीडिया में, सोशल इंस्टाग्राम फेसबुक या अदरवाइज यू हैव यू रिटन सम आर्टिकल्स या कुछ, हैव यू रिटन समथिंग, रिपोर्ट्स और समथिंग कभी?
So I have written, but those were restricted to school level. I have never done inter school or on a large expanse of writing.
अच्छा, और आपको कंप्यूटर्स में क्या, यू आर कंफर्टेबल इन कंप्यूटर्स, डू यू नो दैट?
And so I can use PowerPoint, MS Word, uh, the
ओके, एंड
Microsoft,
बेसिक्स ऑफ
एक्सेल?
कंप्यूटर ना।
Excel as well.
अच्छा, राइट, एंड डू यू नो गूगल अर्थ?
I haven't used it, but I have heard the name of Google Earth.
गूगल मैप्स हैव यू यूज्ड?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So do you know any name of the trees of Tatapani? Any 5 to 10 trees you can name?
So
Maps have
trees,
you used? Any
yes, sir.
general plants जो आपके आसपास होते हैं? Okay, okay. So do you know any name of the trees of Tatapani? Any 5 to 10 trees you can name?
So trees,
Any general plants जो आपके आसपास होते हैं?
well, there is a big mango tree right in front of my house. It is very huge.
Mm-hmm.
That is what I know. We have herbs. We have tulsi, um, and
चलो, it's okay, no problem. आपकी हॉबीज क्या है?
so I love reading and writing.
रीडिंग एंड राइटिंग, सो मैंने आपसे पूछा राइटिंग क्या किया, आपने बोला नॉट मच, सो व्हाट
So
काइंड ऑफ
my writing, like story writing, but I haven't been able to put them out very much. It has been very restricted to just myself.
अच्छा, ओके, इंटरेस्टिंग।
राइटिंग व्हाट?
So,
आर्टिकल्स लिखना पसंद है या?
I like writing stories.
स्टोरीज ऑन व्हाट?
A variety of genre, maybe fantasy. They can be related to teen.
अच्छा, राइट, इंटरेस्टिंग। एंड रीडिंग व्हाट काइंड ऑफ बुक्स?
I like a variety of genre. My very first book series was Harry Potter, and ever since I've been in love with reading. I like Murakami, and my favorite genre would have to be mystery. I've been getting just into it. I haven't read a lot of mystery, but it is something that I've just started with. So you're not audible.
So you're on
I'm
mute.
saying, why did you take biology as your course and not literature or English language or something like that? Humanities.
Biology is a very interesting subject, and I thought that it would be better to do something practical prior going into literature, because writing is something that I can do anytime, and to gain knowledge, because this is also going to aid me in my writing, the knowledge that I can gain and the skills that I can learn. It will eventually aid in writing this.
Okay, where have you done your schooling?
Sir, I was in a DPS Pinjore till my 8th grade, and then I did my first 2 years of high school from Shempur Futuristic School, and 11th and 12th in Government Model, Sector 16 Chandigarh.
Yeah.
Okay, are you interested in doing field work?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
I
Literature
want
and
to.
fieldwork don't go along.
That is the thing, that via literature I've been able to explore a lot of characters, and they do various kinds of work. So I will be able to figure out what I actually like and what I don't like. And field work is interesting because you're going to different places and you're observing things. So that is also linked to uh, observing other characters.
So, Thank you, Kriti. No questions from my side. Thank you for joining. So,
Thank you.
fine. नेहा, आपको कुछ पूछना तो नहीं?
आपको बेसिक पता है ना what we are doing in this project? Do you know
Yes,
the
ma'am.
basic? Just one or two lines.
Ma'am, we will be dealing with geotagging and carbon sequestration. Um, in geotagging, we will be uh, we will be writing down the details of the tree, their years, their latitudes and longitudes via the QR code. And carbon sequestration is the carbon content which is present.
What
And
do what do your parents do? आपके parents क्या करते हैं?
my father is in the business of animal poultry feed, and my mother is a housewife.
Okay, lovely, lovely. Fine, thank you, Kriti, for
Thank
joining.
you.
Thank you.
And एक suggestion है आपको, आप you're just starting your career. Whenever you write your email, please write अपना name and phone number always below with thanks, regards, kind regards, thank you, yours sincerely. कुछ भी लिखकर अपना name and just make it a habit.
Okay, thank you, sir.
ठीक है, ठीक है, that's
Thank you.
very good. Okay, thank you. Hello, Mudita.
Hello, sir.
How are you? How's everything? How was the day?
It's really good. I've got this opportunity. It's my first time, so of course, it's really exciting and it's really nice for me.
ओके ओके नो ग्रेट हमारे लिए भी अच्छा है वी आर मीटिंग यू टुडे मॉर्निंग सो बट वन थिंग आई वुड जस्ट लाइक टू सजेस्ट यू बिकॉज दिस इज योर फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू और मीटिंग वेन एवर यू राइट एन ईमेल जब भी ईमेल यू राइट उसके ऑलवेज विद इन योर बिफोर योर नेम राइट योर कॉन्टैक्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन अपार्ट फ्रॉम एन ईमेल लाइक मोबाइल नंबर प्लीज मेंशन वो आज की डेट में इट्स बिकम सॉर्ट ऑफ कंपल्सरी
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
ठीक है तो जस्ट मेक इट अ हैबिट
Okay.
unless you don't want to give your mobile number वो एक अलग बात है
Yeah, that was the reason. Actually, it was my first time, so I never wanted to give my number. I just wanted to be very
Video call
positive.
जा रही थी।
Reason I didn't give my
but
number.
sometimes there is no sense of not giving, right? So
Yeah, yeah.
if you don't want us to contact then don't send an email, right?
No, no. I'll
It's
make
just a
sure I
hum-
give the number.
it's just a humble suggestion for you.
Yeah. I'll make sure that I give the number next time.
ठीक है so take it as a suggestion so very well
Give some
I'm
brief
just reading your
introduction about
email.
you.
Pardon?
Continue, sir.
अपने बारे में please give a small introduction. What have you done? Where are you from? What are your hobbies? And why are you interested in this project?
Okay, so to start with, you know me. My name is Multa Jain, and I'm from BSc first year, MCMDAV College, and I've done my 12th schooling from Bhavan Vidyalaya, Chandigarh. I'm from Chandigarh itself. My native place is Chandigarh, and I got to know this about this project from Gunjan ma'am, and she told me that there's this internship project. Like 2 to 3 months back, I came to her and I told her that I want something like I got to know that BSc wale students don't get lots of internship projects. So I told her that ma'am, whenever there will be this in something internship and thing, I want to join this for sure. So I got to know this about this project, and Gunjan ma'am told me everything about this project. Okay, there will be this carbon sequence scanning and about all this stuff, geotagging and all. So then I told her that yes, I am interested in this project. Reason being that what I think is that the skills I have are something really important for any kind of project, be it being confident, being it having this quality. I'm not telling that I know everything, I have all the knowledge, but yes, I know this for a fact that I'm a keen learner. I am really curious about things. I am very detail oriented. So yes, I do have the that leadership quality and also that teamwork quality, that I can work together. I can actually work in pressure. I can, you give me a in the tight limits. We say na, that we have this time bound things. I can really work in that pressure. I can manage things really well, because why I'm saying that I can manage things well, because I am already managing some of my different tasks. be it going to a college and still handling class 10th classes, giving tuition to classes. I'm managing different things at a single time. So I know this for a fact, how to manage my time, my studies, my health all together.
Okay. Do you know the basics of computer?
Yeah, a little, like let's say Excel, making a PPTs and everything. I know this.
Okay. You are not audible.
Pardon?
Where are you from, Mudita?
I am from Chandigarh. I am from Chandigarh.
Acha, you're from Chandigarh only. Okay, very well. So, okay. So why did you take BSc as your subject? Like you have got very good marks in 10th and 12th. So,
There
what
are
made you
two
choose?
reasons majorly. First of all, there's this big story. I told Gunjan ma'am also about it. The first thing was that I was selected. I cleared my NEET examination by 580 marks, and I got a
Yes, yes.
seat in BMCH. But I am a very family oriented person, and I when I got to know from different doctors, I talked to different doctors. So they said हमारी personal life कुछ नहीं है. So I wanted something like जिसमें personal life भी हो. Secondly, when I chose this as my career, when I took BSc medical, I got seat in PU also with 95.6 percentile. But there was this honors wali thing. So I talked to Dinar. She suggested me that you have multiple. You can go for different masters when you take BSc medical. So I opted for this BSc medical so that I can do double masters in biology botany or chemistry botany with a combination of masters I wanted to do. So also what I think is that अगर मैं डॉक्टर नहीं बनी तो मेरे हाथों हर साल एटलीस्ट 100 डॉक्टर्स निकल जाएं. When I different. So with that,
No, good, good, good. Or what are your hobbies?
I love to communicate with different people. I'm really extrovert kind of person. I love dancing and
Can you be loud, Mudita? थोड़ा सा loud हो गए. आपकी voice कम हो रही थी. I think. Can you?
am I audible now?
हाँ, correct, correct.
So I'm a very extrovert kind of a person. I really love to communicate with people. I really love to explore. I really love to travel and know about different things. कि अच्छा अच्छा इसके बारे में ये हुआ है, अच्छा ऐसा है. And I love dancing that is my passion. I love to eat also. So these are my hobbies.
Okay, okay. Lovely. So, what are you looking out of this project? आप हमारे साथ involve होकर what are you looking for? Like, what is your expectation?
I know that this is one way I can contribute back to my college as well as the environment. And also being like I know this for a fact that every child will do this. Some selfish purpose. I will not look at कि नहीं मेरे को नहीं selfish purpose नहीं है. This is purpose. And I know this for a fact that it will add to my knowledge as well as to my profile. You know, it will give me some experience कि मुझे आगे कोई भी project करना है उसके लिए मुझे एक it will be, you know, this small step will actually be something which will add to my profile at the end of the day. Yes, I have done something remarkable.
506
Then I'm in BSc first year.
When it
Sure. Okay, okay, okay. So, fine, Mudita, nice to know you. मुझे idea लग गया था like you have come by choice in BSc based upon what you had written. ठीक है. I got an idea about your nature from the way you have written your email. So, that's good to know. So, thank you, Mudita. You want to ask anything to us? कुछ पूछना है आप?
No.
Is there any doubts in your mind?
Hello.
Doubts I know.
Hello, mom.
Whenever I'll be selected तो तब तो बहुत सारे doubts ले लूंगी मैं आपसे कोई बात नहीं. Thank you so much.
Okay.
ठीक है. Thank you, Mudita. Bye.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Ishita. कैसे हो? How are you?
How's you?
I'm fine, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so Ishita, कहाँ से हो आप? Which place you are from?
Sir, I'm from Kullu district of Himachal Pradesh.
अच्छा, you are also from Himachal. Very good. There are many students from Himachal.
Yes, sir.
Very well. Good. So schooling कहाँ से की आपने?
Sir, Kullu में ही मैंने sir up to 8th I have done my schooling from Trinity Public School, and then 9th 10th I have done from DAV Public School in Mohal, Kullu. Then 12th is done from Ambition School, Kullu.
अच्छा, great. So why do you want to do this project? मतलब इस ट्रेनिंग इंटर्नशिप में क्यों आना चाहते हो?
Sir, as you know, I'm from Kullu, as there is a very diverse flora and fauna there also, and I'm very interested in such projects. And as this project is about geotagging, which is new for me as well, that I got to know about this, that we have to give geotags, or we have to geographical information about the trees and all in the QR code, and we can locate them about their longitudinal, latitudinal girth and all. So it seems very interesting. So I really want to be a part of it and gain much knowledge about it and the trees, plants.
So, do you know the basics of computer?
Yes, ma'am. I can use computers, like I can use Word, MS, Excel, and PowerPoint presentation and all. Yes, I can do it.
Okay. Have you heard about the Google Earth?
Yes, ma'am. I have heard about it, but I have.
Have you ever used?
No, ma'am. I have.
Okay.
Okay. So आपने बीएससी क्यों सिलेक्ट किया, इशिता?
Sir, I was interested in science. So, as a medical student, I wanted to be learn botany and zoology. I'm very interested in botany, so I took BSc.
And what are your hobbies?
It's singing and dancing.
Singing and dancing. अच्छा, lovely. Very well. So you write on social media also? आप लिखते हो?
Sir, I don't really just I don't write in it.
But you sing and dance. Okay. ठीक है नेहा,
Have you written
इशिता,
any
thank you.
article or anything else in your school life or in first year? Your first year student, no?
Yes,
Any
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
article?
I'm a first year student.
Yes. Have you written any of the article or abstract in your school life or in first year?
I have not done it like in inter-school, not, but only in schooling I have done some. It was just a competition type, but not really.
Are you interested in writing the
Yes,
articles,
ma'am.
or you are just interested in singing
Yes,
and
ma'am.
dancing?
I'm interested. I'm interested in writing as well. I can write and singing and dancing as well.
Thank you, Ishita. I'm good. Thank you for coming, and we'll contact you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
We will let you know.
हो गए सारे नेहा? कोई पेंडिंग
सर
है?
बस यशस्वी एक लास्ट है, वो बार बार बोल रही है, उसको प्लीज।
हाँ कर लेते हैं, लास्ट है 5 मिनट्स।
बस उसका ही है अभी।
डन।
बस अभी मनोज उसको एक्सेप्ट कर लेना।
ठीक है मैम।
हाँ अभी वो बोल रही है।
आज ज्वाइन कर लिया?
इशिता नाउ यू
इशिता आप
कैन
लॉग ऑफ हो सकते हो। इशिता
ओके।
गुड मॉर्निंग। हाय यशस्वी।
Hello, ma'am.
दिया इधर बैठो, दिख रहा है क्या?
So, give some introduction about you.
Good morning, everyone. My
Please,
name
you
is
are from-
Yashasvi. Ma'am, I'm from Chandigarh itself. I've been born and brought up in Chandigarh, and I have completed my schooling from St. Anne's Convent School, Chandigarh, and I have completed my high schooling in medical sciences with additional maths, and I have also done computer science in school as an additional subject. So I've had a great interest in sciences since the very start, and been living in Chandigarh from the start. I love nature, and it's a beautiful city. We have a lot of trees here, and yeah, that kind of developed my interest in uh, nature and environment.
Okay. So your voice is not audible.
Okay. Hi, Yashasvi. I'm
Hello,
Gaurav here.
sir.
Hello. Yashasvi, I want to know, do you know Microsoft Office, Word, PowerPoint,
Yes,
Google
sir.
Earth?
Yes, sir.
कोडिंग कौन सी आती है आपको?
सर मैंने HTML स्कूल में बेसिक सीखी थी हमने कंप्यूटर साइंसेस में, और C आती है थोड़ी थोड़ी, C++ भी सीखी थी, बट वो अभी इतना रहा नहीं है हैंड तो.
ठीक है, never mind. So, cool. You are okay to work on the field
Yes, sir.
with tree all computers?
Yes, sir. Sir, actually I'm a localite, so it's easy for me to travel.
Okay, and what are your hobbies?
Sir, I used to play sports in school, but now I have not. After COVID, I have not joined any kind of sports, and I paint too. So.
Which sport?
Sir, I used to play badminton, baseball, softball till school level. So.
Great, great, great. ठीक है, Neha, no questions from my side. Thank you.
Okay. We will let you know.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Neha. Bye.